Welcome to this brief overview of the Dillard Commercial Music Program. For short, we say DCMG for the Dillard Commercial Music Group, which consists of music production, songwriting, publishing, management, concert promotion, and production. You can also find us at Dillard CMG on Instagram. Our motto: we are educating the next generation of music industry professionals. If you are interested in being a music producer, beat making, audio engineering, songwriting, vocal artist, or you're just interested in music business, Dillard's Commercial Music Program is designed for you. The Commercial Music Classroom consists of 25 computers with a small vocal booth. Each computer has Pro Tools, Logic, and FL Studio. The classroom is surrounded by guitars, basses, and MIDI keyboards. Studio B is equipped with a producer's desk with both computers running Pro Tools and Logic Pro X. Studio A is our flagship studio with 32 inputs routed to the Pro Tools HD system. With over $15,000 worth of outboard effects and dynamics processing, this room is designed to allow students to record from any other performing arts classroom, as well as record and mix personal class projects. Dillard is currently on A and B block schedule, with A blocks being periods 1st through 4th, and B blocks being periods 5th through 8th. Level 2 and Level 3 are magnet courses. Therefore, the instructor's approval is required for admission. The Dillard Commercial Music Program. Find us at Dillard CMG. Feel free to sign up for the commercial music classes by signing and filling out the short questionnaire. We are educating the next generation of music industry professionals.